Go vegan, y'all. Everybody do it.
Oh.
How you going?
Good, man. What's going on?
Gimme.
Yeah, nothing like a little... Postman's arrived. I mean, package arrived. See what we got here. Is all this crap on top. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is pretty cool.
I have no idea what this is.
It's pretty cool. Let's go downstairs and see if this actually fits in the Raptor 2. I assume it will, but you never know. So, Raptor 2 battery, beast mode, 430 watt hours, one of the biggest in the market. This is half the size. So, when you want to travel and you want to take your Raptor 2, okay, so pretty much insert the battery like this. I might have to slightly adjust the lengths of these cables. Something like that. So I think we'll need to get some like additional foam blocks or something just to stop it rattling. But otherwise, airplane friendly. Yeah, that'll be sweet. I bet it makes the whole thing a lot lighter too. Oh, yeah, you can noticeably feel the weight down that end now. Yeah, because there's so much garden in here.
New battery's in. Gonna go give it a test. Hey guys, I came out here to do a range test on the new battery pack, but well, I ran into James Aspey. For you guys who don't know who James Aspey is, he's like one of the most well-known vegans in the world when it comes to like YouTube and social media and spreading the message online. And yeah, he's just like one of my idols, and I couldn't pass up the opportunity to let him try out the board and have a chat with him. So alright, we're here at the Spit. I think I see somebody that I know. Hey, sorry to bother you guys. James.
What up?
How you going, man?
What's happening?
Roan.
What is it?
Roan.
Roan, nice to meet you, bro. How's
You too, man.
things?
Good.
Skated. That thing looks sick.
Yeah, I work for a skateboard company.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Is that one of the electric ones?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You wanna have a go?
Yes. I've never rode one of these before.
No?
How do I do it?
Alright, cool. So
I'm so excited. I should put shoes on though.
So how does the electric part?
so it's basically a Bluetooth remote, and you just face it down that way.
So that's forward, that's back.
That's correct.
Is that all? Is that everything?
That's it. Make sure you lean forward a bit when you take off, because you kind of got to get used to the power. I think he's skated before, eh? Hope he doesn't steal the board.
What was your name, dude?
Roan.
Roan, nice to meet you, brother.
You too, man. This is cool.
He's really gonna go all the way around.
Yeah, thought you were just gonna go like up and back for like 20
I'm
seconds.
going for a cruise. That was so fun. How
Thanks,
fast do
man.
they go, man?
Top speed's limited to about 49, but I know because I know the CEO, he says they go about 53. Yeah.
It's weird to get the death wobbles just on the flat.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's actually, I've adjusted it for my weight.
Oh,
So
okay.
if you like tighten up the bearings a bit, then it'll be a bit
Right.
stable.
How much are they, man?
Retail's like 2,000 Australian.
How long does the battery last?
So I was just telling them we've actually got a new battery pack that we're testing in this one. So the main battery pack's usually 40 kilometers of range.
Whoa!
You probably, yeah, like I get about 30 out of it.
Yeah.
So like on normal riding conditions, so.
Can I keep going a little bit longer?
Yeah,
One more?
sure,
Yeah,
man.
you don't mind? You
Yeah.
sure you don't mind? Let's go. Okay, I might just go for one more roll then.
Yeah, go for it, man. Do you want to try? Wait, hold up.
Yeah.
I don't want to hurt you, but
We're
there
on
is a fast mode.
Let's go.
Are you sure?
Yeah! That's pretty crazy.
Just make sure before you press it, just lean forward heaps.
It seemed pretty fast even on slow. Nah, I'm good like this. Thanks anyway, bro.
All good. He's loving it. How about that, eh? Running into James Aspey. Whew. I've never snowboarded before.
Oh, it's heaps like because you can just carve. It's so fun. Oh my god. It's so good. What are they called, bro? I can tag them right now.
The board's called the Raptor 2, and our Instagram's Inertian Boards.
Check out this amazing new toy.
Oh my god.
All good. All good. Grass is no problem. Go vegan, y'all. Everybody do it. Alright, thanks heaps, bro. I had a thoroughly good time. Didn't break your camera. Think your
Nice.
board isn't broken either.
All good.
Thanks so much for that,
good, man.
dude. Thank you.
All good. I'm so honoured to be able to meet you.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
That was awesome. Anyway, I'm just gonna go for a quick ride and then I'll head back to the office. Laters. Alright guys, it's the end of another day. I will see you in the next video and I'm gonna do that range test real soon, okay? Keep in mind it is only a prototype battery, so there's probably still a couple of things that need to change, and we still have to figure out how to actually mount the battery in a way to make sure that it doesn't move around in the casing. Anyways, see you guys.